Hey everyone, welcome back. Apple has officially added the iPhone 16e components to its self-service repair program, allowing customers in the US and several European countries to order parts and tools for do-it-yourself fixes. Available repairs now include the iPhone 16e's display, battery, cameras, speakers, back glass, and more. For those who don't own the tools, Apple offers a rental kit for $49, which users can keep for up to 7 days. To assist with the process, Apple provides a detailed iPhone 16e repair manual on its website, guiding users through its repair step. It's worth pointing out that the addition of iPhone 16e parts is the latest expansion of Apple's self-service repair program, which launched in 2022. The initiative gives users access to genuine Apple parts, tools, and repair guides for select iPhones, Macs, studio displays, and Beats speakers. Apple emphasizes that the program is designed for individuals with experience handling electronic device repairs, as these processes can be pretty complex. The company previously announced plans to expand the self-service repair program to Canada sometime in 2025, though that rollout has yet to begin. So stay tuned for updates as Apple continues to grow its repair options and reach more regions.